trouble.
Yeah.
Look, I don't have to get you.
I
I can look at you and take this image home with me to my mini toys, and I will be fine.
She's gonna remember this. She's gonna remember this. Yeah. So that's wow. Okay. All right. So let's be clear on this. WPBRadio.com. By the way, I am here with Puppy the Body and the Sexy Sapphire. And she's made you blush a lot, and you don't blush.
I know.
You don't blush, but you blushed today.
Yeah, I mean, I had to like comb her down.
Right.
She tried to put me in the corner.
She was on timeout. She was on timeout.
Yeah, timeout.
And
in the corner. I mean, I'm ready to push her off the chair.
I'm so well behaved today.
Yeah.
Like, this is the tame me.
Yeah, absolutely. So you're on Twitter. What's your Twitter?
Sexy Sapphire.
Oh. What was I thinking?
I'm easy to find, baby.
What was I thinking?
Easy to find.
You have some. Absolutely.
WPB Radio, you're on the air. What's your name?
Shit, nigga, this bitch got me.
Okay.
We can't cuss on the air, y'all.
No. But we're gonna. Is he still on? Is he still there?
I don't know.
No. I muted him, but is he still on? Okay, we're gonna take that off the air. WPB Radio will be back right after this. Hello?
Hello?
Yo, what's going on?
Are you here, sweetie?
I don't think he's there.
He just hung up, didn't he?
Okay, so he must have been here.
He came so hard, didn't he?
Oh shit, nigga, this bitch got me fucked up.
I hope I ain't fucking with the ass tonight.
They probably was listening to it.
Wow.
It might have been Bucky.
Wow.
I think that was Bucky, yo.
Yo, you got issues.
I think that was Bucky.
Oh my.
Yo, Buck, call back. Buck, call back. Yo, we on the air now.
Yo, puppy ignorant, y'all. I love it.
Wow.
Yo, Buck, call back, yo.
Wow. So you do threesomes and stuff?
I thought she do foursomes. What are you talking about?
My bad.
See, because my girlfriend had a boyfriend.
And all four of y'all got together?
Me, my boyfriend, her, and her boyfriend.
All right. 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. WPBRadio.com, of course.
Why are we still on air?
I don't know.
I don't know. My ride is outside for 45
Are you serious?
Didn't I tell you I do what I want? He gonna wait.
We're gonna wrap. She got a car service waiting for out front. We are going to.
Yo, he called while we was on the air. I was like, yeah, I really could. You know, we live on the air right now, so he would know I was still busy, right?
Okay, my bad. Yeah, because I didn't mean to keep you here that long. Okay, but
I'm scared of her.
yeah.
I run everything.
I see. Now, yours truly, Diamond K.
Oh, Buck calling back.
I had a blast.
Buck calling back. Buck is calling back.
Puppy the Body.
Buck
We're gonna. I don't know about that.
Yes.
Easy. Okay.
Yes.
So you got one?
Yeah.
To say okay.
WPB Radio, is this Buck?
Don't cuss.
Okay, listen, bro. Yeah, listen. So when I was asking for y'all hung up on me.
Yeah, 'cause you can't cuss.
Quite rude.
You live on the air, so don't cuss.
Okay, I'm in there, Pimp.
My bad.
Young girl get the money, she buy a game.
Yeah.
So my question is, do you, like, if I want to get a fetish on, I mean, do you do anything?
As long as it's classified as a fetish. Like I said, I no longer have sex for money, and I no longer film blowjobs or anything. So fetishes, I'm open to.
Whatever you want to do, just classify that as a fetish.
Want to pee on you? Is that a fetish?
That's a fetish.
I generally
so if I want to pee on you,
no, baby.
You back that game?
I'm not accepting that. I only give the showers. I've only been showered once, and that was by my
man. Shit in your mouth.
What? Easy.
I thought he said he wasn't
Listen, my apologies.
Okay.
Yeah, you sound like you're a freaky little hoe, so I just
Whoa! Easy.
I'm used to men like him.
I'm not.
He good.
I'm used to.
Look, let me tell you, any man that gotta disguise his voice to talk to me, that's a clown ass nigga.
Why easy for you?
I would have to put put him under.
I need my buttons.
You dig?
Okay, I need to get my buttons.
He would
right.
be under my feet, so you know he can talk. But if we were in person,
he sound like you serious, though.
He be sitting on the floor next to me on his knees while we do this interview.
He sounded like he
Man, that man couldn't even use his bull voice. He wants serious about nothing. He probably some dude that ain't got up the booty before.
Wow. Okay.
Probably.
Tell me why you mad, son.
Gotta disguise your voice. I'm sexy sapphire all day, every day.
How do you know that wasn't his? How do you know that wasn't his voice?
You heard that
was
fool. That one his voice.
Could have been DJ Rom E Dawn. You don't know who it was.
No, y'all got unique code you're playing on your phone.
All right, it kind of did sound like a little bit. Which brings us somewhere else. Okay. Now the big announcement. I said it earlier. I'm going to say it again. DJ Booby joining the Diamond K Show. He will be here with us live Wednesday, mixing live from now on. Mixing live and Puppy the Body. Who's from Annapolis, by the way.
And I'm gonna stop through more because I see Puppy the Body.
Absolutely, you are a friend of the show. You can stop through. You just when you have a new what's the person that you dominate? You got a new video.
I'll bring
right.
Well, stuff next time I come.
Yeah. Bring some stuff because we want to see.
Who knows we?
I mean, we want to see the heterosexual stuff. We want to see the heterosexual stuff, and we want to see like the easy stuff. Like I don't want to see none of that stepping
like
people's
the
heads and
soapy
stuff.
shower or double penetration.
No, I don't like that kind of stuff. No, just what? Just normal. Just like normal stuff.
Dildos. Like,
Nah.
What's normal?
Normal.
Why are you trying to shock him?
I'm not.
I'm the shock jock.
Like,
I'm the shock jock.
Like, this is normal.
No, it's not normal. It's not normal. We've had people play on the phone. We've had people play on our phone before. We haven't had callers quite like that, right?
He was interested.
He's on your website right now.
I'm filming with my fans.
He's on your website right now.
I told y'all can email me at sapphirethesexy@gmail.com. I'll get back to you.
How much do you charge?
I'm not charging my fans to even film with me, you lucky dogs.
Okay.
Cool.
Why you not? I don't understand.
Because they're gonna sign a release form and I'm gonna make money off the videos.
Okay, so that's how it goes.
Yeah.
That's how it goes in the big city.
Pretty much.
All right, so it has been
Today Thursday.
it has been a pleasure of you coming through. Anybody you need to shout out?
Yeah, I want to shout out the hardest working woman I know, me. And I want to thank me for all of the things that I do for myself on a daily basis. And before I go, I gotta tell you that I love me, cause me, y'all, I ride for me.
Won't you shout out the dude?
Oh yeah, Mark, I love you, baby.
And she coming right?
No, that's not who outside. Mark, I love you, baby.
Who else?
Mark is my white guy.
Oh,
I love you.
she lying like shit.
Hey!
Mark, she lying.
Oh my God.
I just text him from the studio.
Where have we digressed to? We will be back on Saturday, 6 to 10. No telling what's gonna happen. 6 to 10, we will be back this Saturday, and next Wednesday, the 14th, DJ Booby joins us live on the Diamond K Show. He is the new DJ on the show, and he will be mixing live.
Cuckoo.
And Puppy will be back. You'll be back to normal next week?
I'm normal now.
You're normal now? Okay, well, stand up and show the guests, the viewers, that you're normal. Because you haven't done this all day. Okay. All right.
All day.
All right. Get your eagle on.
Oh man, why you doing that towards the camera? I'm over here. Equal opportunity, man. I'm gonna have to go watch this on Ustream now.
Yeah, that's what you gonna have to do.
WPBRadio.com. See you Saturday.
Thank you. I'm having fun.
Thanks for listening.